गुड डे भाई और बहनों। आज मैं इस अति सती सावित्री भारतीय नारी के रूप में इसलिए आपके सामने आई हूँ क्योंकि आज ना वो आने वाले हैं। वो आने वाले हैं। आ गए सचिन जी, आ गए। Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Varun Sobti. And me and my son.
Yeah, I know.
Varun, how was that for a television actress? Was it good enough? Not bad. Dramatic तो था ना। अच्छा, मैं आपसे चाहती हूँ कि you do one more thing for me, क्योंकि भारतीय नारी कभी कैमरा के सामने चेंज नहीं। Can you just step up here, please, and just talk to my audience for exactly 10 seconds, and I'll be back.
Hi everyone, it's me Varun Sobti and you're watching Malishka Lee. Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, now you can welcome me, Varun Sobti. Hi. Hey, भारतीय नारी सारी transforming fan. Please,
Yeah.
yes, please. I mean, all right. Welcome to Malishka Unleashed, where I'm dressed in my Sunday best, or even better, perhaps, क्योंकि आज we're going to have with us, or rather, we have with us, television ke heartthrob. This is what you guys have told me, and he is so loved that he gets a full mug of coffee. Please welcome Varun Sobti, ladies and gentlemen. I'm sure he can hear your voice. Varun. My goodness, I can't tell you. From the time जब मैंने जनता को बताया that you're going to be on the show, they've been going nuts. But then of course you disappeared.
I'm sorry for the delay. Yeah.
Yes. Okay, he's so shy and all that. I mean, compared to his character, that's a whole Raizada. Raizade kahi ke. So he's actually quite shy in real life. So let's get to open him up a little bit.
Yeah.
Varun, pehle to, I'm sure your name has been quite a few times you've been called Varun instead of Varun.
Oh yeah, Lord.
Varun क्या है?
Baron भी बोला कि लोग बहुत पहले.
ये Baron बिल्कुल नहीं हो सकते हो. Tell us, no, why Varun and not Varun? कुछ हो गया?
That's everyone thinks my parents put in a lot of effort and stuff. Actually, what happened was my grandma wanted to name me Varun before I came in, and then the final time some Pandit ji said कि
Ba
se रखना पड़ेगा. So my folks didn't even bother to find a new name. They just remixed Varun with B, and then that's how I came out.
मतलब नाम चाहे जो भी होता है, you were born for stardom, Varun Sobti. My goodness, you do know you have like millions of fans, like millions crawling out of the woodwork.
Yeah.
Let me also tell you कि Varun बहुत हाल ही में गोवा गए थे on a bike, and I believe he got mauled.
Not really.
Okay, I'm making stuff up. But I know there's things that have happened to you, and I really want you to tell us a mad fan incident because, I've heard some. Varun's told me some crazy stories. I'd love him to repeat a few of them.
Which one are you talking about?
The one where the media focused on your butt.
Oh, I know.
But that's a media story. But first, tell us a crazy fan story.
There's a lot of them. Yeah, I always come up with a different. There were so many. Actually, I wanted to write a script on a television actor's real life.
Huh.
As in how people behave and react, and how people. There's so many. There was one. I don't know if I've said this on video before this or no.
Doesn't matter. It's special with me. Trust me.
Yeah. So I went to a mall with me and my wife went shopping, and we went to Charles and Keith. And over in the showrooms, and I usually keep my face down,
कोई पहचाने ना.
One that, and I always मैं मुंह नीचे करके ही चलता हूँ. So we were walking, and then I suddenly with the periphery in the periphery of my eye, I could see that there's some people staring. Around 40-45 people. Yeah, from somewhere in probably the north, because I know how people dress up over there because I'm from the north. A family, large, massive family. Okay. And they were like that murmuring started. Wait. So that kind of stuff. So I figured that out, and if they were standing here, I sat down like this, and I'm playing on my phone. And I told baby I'm going to be sitting here. You do your shopping and stuff. So she's like, okay, and then it started increasing, and then I was like, oh, what's going to happen now? I'm playing on my phone. They stood around 5-10 minutes. They stood there, okay, like you put your face down. Okay, so this is how I'm playing on my phone. One of the kids, they must have had their own conversation. One of the kids came in like this. They were like, wait. it gets crazy.
Papa ji, aa jao pure
Yeah, and then they all
then
start
it was
coming.
mad.
in.
Then
I'm like,
they
yeah,
got their
let's
selfies.
get out of here. Yeah.
Then they got their selfies and things.
Yeah.
Right now, even as we speak, can you imagine how many of these people are going, oh my god, he's talking to her, how lucky is she? Do you understand this fame? Do you, like, I know, I mean, my mother's watching television all day long. The TV's on, और एक से एक hero, मतलब एक से एक चिकने, handsome, good looking. But everybody doesn't get the fame that you have gotten. तो मतलब ये तो या तो तुम्हारे वरुण का वरुण होने का शुक्रिया होना चाहिए या there is some what is it? Have you the formula क्या हुआ?
I don't know, yaar. And I don't believe in Barun wala funda anyway. My folks believe in that. But I do believe that you have to see. I think everyone's time comes. I just feel that you have to keep doing the right and good things because so that when your time does come, you get your due.
Okay.
And you don't. I don't think you can jump the gun or try it before time. Time से पहले और किस्मत से ज़्यादा किसी को नहीं पता. So that's what I believe.
So are you getting loads of film offers? Okay, let's quickly go to मैं और Mr. Right. हाल ही में release हुई थी,
Right.
but didn't do too well at the
Right.
box office.
Yeah.
How do you feel about that? That was because I know you were fairly थोड़ा jittery before the movie release.
Yeah, that I was. Yeah, I was, and I am while shooting also actually. But it's okay. It's a part of the game. It's yeah. I don't have anything to be scared of. I'm not saying that I'm fearless or anything of that sort. I'm just practically saying the kind of things I have lined up for me, the kind of appreciation I got out of the film.
Yeah.
Which was beautiful. It was. I when I was reading the reviews, there were so many actually. There's a million reviews anyway, and it was so heartening, and I actually I had goosebumps when I read the reviews which said that Varun Sobti is the only saving grace and stuff like this. This is the actor that you have to watch out for in the times to come. These are established critics. All of these
Oh,
guys,
give me
yeah.
5.
Yeah.
Very interesting guy. The only problem is he's married. Yes, I know you already know that. But I was talking to Varun about his wife, who seems like a wonderful, very qualified woman who's doing very well for herself.
Do you mean very qualified for me?
आप जैसे ले लो. Actually, according to women out there, they're saying, okay, then fine. Why can't he come and toss himself in our arms or something like that? But Varun, you weren't an actor when you got married to your wife?
No, I was an actor.
But you weren't
no one
this
knew me.
star.
I'd finished a show on. I was finishing a show on Sony when I got married.
Okay.
Yeah.
तो मतलब अभी अब तब जाते थे सब्जी मंडी वगैरह तो चल जाता था. अब तो they probably scratch your clothes out and those. Can you ever? This has always been my alleged question to stars. Can you all go out to the बनिया की दुकान से भैया 2 पैकेट घी देना या फिर I don't know ऐसा घी.
I'll be honest with you.
Punjabi
If you don't, I'm not the kind of person as a person who will gather a lot of attention. Anyway, because I'm not. I'm a little shy kind. Even in house parties, I wouldn't be the center of attraction for all of my friends also. So I can. Like if I wear a cap, I'll be fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I was actually just going to ask you that it must have been difficult for her also to cope with all these कुड़ियाँ coming after you and all that. मतलब क्या हो रहा है वरुण?
And as I told you then that we're pretty sorted, the both of us.
Okay.
That the atmosphere in the family is not like someone is a star or someone is not. When at the dining table, everyone is the same.
अच्छा. मतलब and I like the use of the word dining table. But yes, we get it.
पंजाबी है ना, खाना तो आ ही जाता है.
मतलब हम सब same है, ज़्यादा उड़ो मत, घर पे बैठो. But you haven't told me an incident. You told me it was a little bachcha, but come on, give me a girl incident. I want to know a girl incident where a girl went nuts, did something, said something.
Usually, girls are the sophisticated ones, as everyone knows. But there's stuff happens all the time. Yeah, people poppy proposals to get married, and sometimes girls just walk up to you and kiss you. And
बताओ.
Yeah.
कब
Yeah,
हुआ
so
क्या हुआ?
I was in a mall once and I was just walking with my wife and this girl came to me, she was like, autograph. I was like, okay. And then she was like, picture. I was like, okay. Then my wife, she walked ahead already and so she was waiting for me and then I just gave it to her and she was like, thank you. And like, okay. And she just jumped up on and like, kissed me. And I was like, okay.
Did she kiss you on the lips?
No.
Oh, अच्छा उतनी हिम्मत नहीं मिला. That's cool then.
Yeah.
So no other incidents where they told us that sometimes they tear stars' clothes and अब तक नहीं हुआ है तुम्हारे साथ.
I wear dependable clothes.
What does that even mean? मतलब velcro वाले.
No, not tearing off, but there's a lot of pushing and scratching that happens sometimes if you're there are a lot of people.
अच्छा.
Yeah.
And your wife never asks you for an explanation. Oh जी ये खराश कहाँ से आई? ये तो मेरे nail जैसा नहीं लगता यार.
No, really, no.
Okay, I'm just teasing you. Alright, we're going to speak about मैं और Mr. Right. Let's figure out Mr. Right. Does your wife believe that you are Mr. Right for her? Because
Yeah.
lots of these women
I
do.
would like to think so. Yeah. She does actually. There's a lot of times appreciation sessions happen. So yeah. So do I feel like that?
You're actually thinking of the
बोलूं
appreciation.
क्या?
Please बोलो.
No, it's too personal. यार, that is. I mean, we tell often each other. We find time to tell often of each other that you very good to live with, and I got lucky.
He's so cute, yeah. No, the reason I'm also asking you this is the Barun Sopti at home different from the ones they see on screen?
course.
Maybe you should tell them, yeah.
Yeah.
They're all dying, like they're saying, oh shit, that man, I want that man on screen. Are you like that man on screen?
No,
Not
I'm,
talk.
I'm a buffoon now, by the way, in
What
real
do you
life.
think?
Yeah.
Like how? How?
I think my wife got married to me because I made her laugh a lot.
Achha.
All of the time. Yeah. So that's what my job at home is.
Joke सुनाना?
Joke sunana can do stupid things. Joke sunana is also not my humor at home.
तो फिर क्या है?
It's crazy stuff that
Example.
I do. You won't find it funny. The problem is that.
Are you don't worry, you say anything, I'm sure they love it.
Everything that I would say would have a backstory.
Huh.
We'd make stories about people also that we know and stuff of that sort. So I can't make that up.
Okay, I think Barun is more of a doer kind of guy. So
Yeah.
we should get him to do something. Alright, so here's what we're going to start with. Before I ask, actually this was a very important question I needed to ask you, but we're a little late. So we're going to do an activity with you where I'm going to find out from you what would Mr. Right do in certain situations with a girl.
Okay.
Obviously you're not Mr. Right because you said you're a buffoon, but come on. I want to know in your style only कि आप क्या करते हैं.
I'm pretty versatile, by the way.
अच्छा, I'm sure. You're killing them with every line, you know
Okay.
this, no? Okay, when you realize that you are on a date and your wallet is missing, आप क्या करते? आप क्या करते?
I would. I
And
personally.
no, I think we should enact this. मुझे acting बहुत पसंद है since the time we've done that first bit.
Okay.
Come on.
Okay, and with this good.
Yes. Excuse me.
That changes the whole situation.
Nice coffee, huh, Barun?
Nice. Okay. So I'm gonna do one thing. I'm gonna wait here. I have a meeting over here, so I'm gonna go escort you to a taxi outside.
Why you know like me?
I really like you, but I have another meeting, and we're done with the coffee anyway.
How rude.
I'll see
How
you
rude
tomorrow.
that is how rude. You called me and
You know the story, don't you? I mean, that's what I mean to say is that I would escort the girl out
Huh.
and take care of it later. Let's see.
Hold on. So basically, you just didn't really like this girl. If you liked the girl, you can't just tell her you have a meeting and shower and talk.
Don't you remember? I don't have any money.
Hold it there. Barun Sopti will be right back in part 2 of Malishka Unleashed क्योंकि हमें ना आपको तड़पाने की थोड़ी आदत सी हो गई है. So do like, share and subscribe and come right back. Spend time with me and Barun Sopti.